Student health and safety and staffing shortages were topics of discussion at the Cheney School District's board meeting tonight. This as the school's COVID data dashboard shows that cases continue to rise. KREM 2's education reporter Morgan Trout live in the newsroom tonight with more on what parents there are saying. Morgan?
Mark, I am getting email after email of Cheney parents panicking about the rising COVID cases in the school district. So far, their COVID dashboard reports 91 positive cases since the start of the school year, which is September 1st, with the majority of them happening within the past few days. This comes after hospitals across the region say they are seeing younger and younger patients come in with severe cases of the virus. I spoke to a mother who says she should have trusted her gut and never let her son back into class. For the immunocompromised, COVID-19 could be a death sentence.
I'm the one that pushed him to go to school, and now I regret doing that.
Karen Sexton says her Cheney High School senior was in the hospital all Monday with a case of COVID-19. Ryan came home from school and told her he didn't feel well. He looked pale, so the family rushed him to the emergency room.
Sneezing, coughing, no taste or smell. And they told us it's going to run its course and it could get worse.
Ryan, although vaccinated, has a weakened immune system. Karen says he has severe asthma and suffered from a lung infection a few years ago that attacked his brain and spinal cord, landing him in the hospital for weeks. She says the school knows about his condition and told her they would be especially careful with him. Karen called the school to let them know about the most recent hospitalization, and a few minutes later, she received an email back, and then another. And another.
When I got the 6 emails yesterday that were, oh no, there's a COVID positive case, I knew it was Ryan because I called them. And to tell me that he's not in close contact, that totally lost my faith.
Her son brought home COVID to her family. Her husband, also immunocompromised, had to be hospitalized as well.
But now I have to take 10 to plus days off of work because I can't go back to work without a negative test. I guarantee on what I'm feeling now that I have it.
Ryan's case is just one example of schools struggling to manage the pandemic. We've been receiving emails and messages from concerned parents for weeks now. In a board meeting tonight, the district assured they had a handle on the now more than 90 cases since the school year began on September 1st.
I wanted other moms to know and other parents to know that to ignore those emails that said your kid didn't come in close contact, because I ignored it and now I'm in this situation.
She is begging parents to trust their gut regarding their kids' education, especially if they have an underlying medical condition. I reached out to Cheney today, but hadn't heard back before the school board meeting. I went to that and the officials say we may be receiving new guidelines for schools in the next week from local and state health leaders. In the newsroom, Morgan Trout, KREM 2 News.